Did you know your toddler is learning a new language every single day? From their first babbles to their first full sentences, it's an incredible journey. Today, we're going to explore how toddlers learn to talk, what you can expect at each stage, and simple activities you can do at home to help their speech grow faster and stronger. Toddlers don't learn language from worksheets, they learn from interaction. Every conversation, song, and story builds their brain connections. When you talk, sing, or read with your toddler, you're literally wiring their brain for communication. Remember, every child develops at their own pace. Progress matters more than perfection. Describe what you're doing. We're putting on shoes. 1 shoe, 2 shoes, point to pictures and ask, "What's this?" Even if they don't answer yet, they're learning. Songs help toddlers learn rhythm, memory, and new words. Instead of asking yes or no, try, "Do you want an apple or a banana?" Some children may need extra help, and that's okay. But if you notice these signs, speaking with a pediatric professional can provide guidance and peace of mind. Language learning isn't about being perfect, it's about being present. The more you talk, listen, and play together, the more confident your toddler will become. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more child development tips and fun learning ideas. And tell me in the comments, what was your toddler's first word?